How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, first quick little mini tunnel run. Right, in today's video, I basically put on my Instagram saying I'm looking for new locations because I want to start filming car reviews. So I want to find the best road in my area to do car reviews on. So I've got a few recommendations. One of them is basically a road that Richard Hammond has driven on. So that'll be a good road to test out. The road's rubbish, but if Richard Hammond's been on it, there must be some story behind it. So I'm gonna do more research into that. And if it is a good road, I'll film it, and I might make this into a little series trying to find the best road. Because if you don't know already, from 2025 I'm gonna get 25% insurance and I'm doing car reviews. So if any of you want your cars on the channel, message me on Instagram. It'll all be in the description. And yeah, let's talk and let's get your cars on the channel. But I'm on the way to a location not too far from my area. It's about a 10-minute drive, and I've looked on Google Maps in Street View and it looks lovely. Like right now I'm at 40 to 60 road. I'm after something that has a long stretch like this ideally, and not many speed cameras, because obviously with car reviews you want to get the video as good as possible. And another thing I want is a road without many bumps, and I say that as we approach bumps. As low number of speed bumps, potholes, bumpy roads in general. So I'm literally on the way there. I'm guessing this is part of it, to be fair. But yeah, the road I've seen. And another thing I wanted was good scenic routes. So as you can see there, grass, animals, good weather. It is a bad time to be filming it because we're nearly in winter. So yeah, that road, not that road, that little whatever that is, I don't even know what it is. Bit of land, it looks lovely. But yeah, I'm just cruising right now. But yeah, good road, good road. Right, let's drop it into third. Got ways on just in case I get lost or I don't know where the cameras are. I know there's one camera on this road. I'm not far off here, I don't think. Can't really see because the sun's blocking ways as well, which is a bad thing as well. But yeah, I wanted something like this. Countryside road, good roads, good scenic views, good weather. You can't go wrong, man. So yeah, I might make it into a little mini series trying to find the best road. There's another road on the way home from me actually, which I might test out if my camera's got charged. Because I've not charged it, I've just literally got the idea today morning after loads of people sending me recommendations, and I'm like, you know what, let's test these locations out. If they're good, good, and if they're not, then at least we've tried it. And what better car to test in than my Mark 5 GTI. Right, so this goes from a 70 to a 40, which is still not too bad for a car review. Oh, this camera's right there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, the camera. And I hope I've got the angle quite right, because I've just guessed again. I need to figure out the proper angle. Oh, few lights just come on. So hopefully there's a petrol station on the way there as well. If there isn't, I know there's one on the way back. How long is it saying? Oh, 30 miles it's saying. It won't last 30 miles. Got, I'd say, about £10 left of fuel. It's not bad. Pause is not a good thing, because if you're flying past in a loud car, don't really want to disturb anyone. And this seems like a peaceful area as well, which is why I'm like just cruising right now. Traffic lights. I feel like I'm in a GTA mission, scoping everything out. Just before the heist, when Leicester's scoping, you're scoping, trying to find what the best route, the best way in is. Even though I'm not doing nothing bad, I'm just literally driving around trying to find a road. So left takes me back to home, and the road we're going for is on the right. Could go straight on, to be fair, but it's still a 40 road. So let's take the right, because this person who's recommended it Said it's on the right. Oh, this is not a good thing actually. This, if there's too many cars coming, I could have. Oh, let's just risk it. Oop, almost crashed. Oh, this is more like it. Oh. This is more like it. If this was clear, yeah, this would be a good road. This is a very good road. Wow, look at the trees. You know you're in autumn. Alright, where are we going from here? A few burbles. Follow it around. I don't want to say the location I'm in because I don't want to give anything away. Don't want to incriminate myself or the person I'll be filming the reviews with. So this is looking like a good road. And if I need to, I can obviously jump there, car can fly past, get the outside shots. Yeah, I like it. Or even there's a good shot as well. Wow, that looks good. Straight into second, into third. It's a shame this Rebel Farm van's in the way. I'm pretty sure they're limited as well. Slow it down a bit. Wow, that's a nice house. This is the road I want. I think this might be the one. We've got it in the first guess. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Right, I'm gonna give it some nice Porsche behind. Give him some room. Give him some room. From fourth into third. Floor it. Go. We're already catching up. It happens every time I film. Someone's always in the way. I don't really want to overtake because it's a bend. So we're just chilling fourth. What a road. What a road. Yeah. Bit old school, bit of new school houses. Yeah, we like it. I can overtake here actually, yeah. Wow, that's nice. Look at that little bridge. That is nice, that. Wow, that is lovely. I don't know if you can see on camera. Whoop. Drove straight onto the pavement, what the hell. I'm mesmerised by the view. Oh bloody hell, wow, that is nice. That's another road we could take. A one-way road though. We're on the bridge. Whoa. Yeah, this is sick. This is cool. Yeah, I like this, Yeah, I do like this road. Might be the one. This might be the one. This stuff pulls me down because it's like a little village type area. It's very enclosed and it echoes. I can just feel everything echoing right now. Disturbing the peace, that's what we're doing. Weather is nice. It's cold but it's nice, so it makes it look even nicer. Like the green grass, man. Oh bloody hell, that is lovely. I think we might be onto a winner here, lads and ladies. Yeah, this might be the one. Ooh. Bit wet, but that'll dry up. Yeah, I do like this. Yeah, this is cool. Go straight to a 30 now. You know what? That might be a good road actually. Yeah, this is a very good road. Yeah, I think I figured out if I was to do this road that I've just been on, I figured out how I'd do it. I wouldn't want to get into all this 30 road and all this, like, if you get what I'm saying. Cars popping. Right. Wow. Wow, that is lovely, that is. The sun's ruining it. Wow, that is lovely. And now the sun's out the way. I shouldn't be ragging at this because I've got no fuel. Dropped to 15 miles in prediction. But yeah, that's almost come to an end. But yeah, I think this road is the one. pavement there which I can stand on if I need to film outside clips. Yeah, I like this road. This road might be the one. Wow. Right guys, so that's the first road that I've tested out. I'm going to be trying out a lot more roads, countryside roads or any roads people have recommended to test out for filming. This one, I already like it. It might just be the one. I don't even need to do the others, but I'll do them anyways. Because like I said, I've never heard of this road before until I got messaged about this road saying go down here. I've had to go on Google Maps and put in Street View just to get a brief idea of what it's like, and I'm happy actually, yeah. So let's see what other recommendations people have got. I did say in my area because I don't really want to travel as much. If I have to travel, obviously, then I can find out in them areas. But if obviously someone's travelling down, I know where to film. And this is a good shout. This was a very good shout. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have already, subscribe, like the video, share it, and if you have any recommendations for roads I should test out with the GoPro on my head, let me know in the comments or message me on my Instagram. It'll all be in the description. And yeah, follow my Instagram if you have already, and I shall see you guys after this send. I'll sign it off. Give it a bit. I shall see you guys in the next one.